First thing you're going to do to get started with this style is create a part down the middle of your head, straight down the middle, just like so. Once you create your part, we're going to go ahead and put this into 2 ponytails. We're going to go ahead and section some hair, just about 1/4 at the back, just like so. Alright, so we're going to make one section from the left side, just at the bottom. We're going to go ahead and section this off so it'll be out of the way. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Those 2 sections at the bottom separated. The next thing we're going to do is put these sections up into a ponytail. As you can see, we secured the ponytails at the top of the head, and we still have our back sections that we separated. So at this point, we are going to take the clip off of one side. We are going to take this section here, all right, this bottom right section, and we're going to smooth the locks, all right. And what we're going to do is bring this hair up across to this ponytail here. Once we bring that hair up, we're going to simply secure this ponytail. Do the same thing with this side. We're going to take that bottom left section and we're going to smooth it out. We're going to bring that up to this ponytail here. We've secured the ponytail on this side, we're going to go ahead and move to the next step. As you can see, crossing the hair like we did creates this really cute cross pattern in the back. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to working with our ponytails. And what we're going to be doing, the lock styling technique we're going to be using to create these cute ponytails are extended lock petals. If you don't know how to do extended lock petals, please check out this video right here at the top of my screen, how to do extended lock petals. Okay, so
original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the liquor. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. You are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my wine in me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a boss in the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me y'all. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. fill up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
The first extended lock petal ponytail, and of course, because the hair is medium length, it doesn't come all the way down to the side of the head, but it is extended. As you can see, it extends here. All right, and it just sits very cute on the side of the head. I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing to this. You can see I've completed both extended lock petal ponytails. Okay, this is a very cute style. Currently, I am doing inspiration for Easter hairstyles for little girls, and I am currently using bally balls. Okay, now you can use whichever ones you like. I'm going to go ahead and add a few here. See what the extended lock petal ponytail looks like with the accessory and what it looks like